Sometimes you get examples where you have, let's say, tokens. You have white and black tokens, or red and green, whatever they are. And it'll say, what's the probability of picking a black token and a white token? And then it will say, with replacement, or it will say without replacement. So it's going to affect your second trial of your probability tree. So with replacement, the numbers are the same. Does that make sense? So black, 3 out of 5, white, 2 out of 5. The numbers stay the same with replacement. So I put the token back in. So I pick it out and then I put it back. Does that make sense? With replacement. Without replacement, it stays, the first trial obviously stays the same, but the second trial changes. So we picked a black. What is now the amount of blacks if I picked a black from that container? 2 out of 4. Now it's 2 out of 4, and white is? 2 out of 4. I pick a white. How many whites are left? Yes, 1 out of 4 whites now, and 3 out of 4 blacks. So this is without replacement.